In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted items in Smartsheet. If you've ever accidentally removed a sheet, a report, a dashboard, or even a folder, don't worry, Smartsheet gives you a simple way to bring it back. I'll walk you through the process, explain what to expect, and share a few helpful tips so you can recover your work with confidence. First, open the Browse panel. Look to the left navigation bar and click the Browse icon. It looks like a small folder. If your left panel is collapsed, hover or click to expand it so you can see all the navigation options. This is your central place for navigating workspaces, folders, and everything you have access to. Next, head to Deleted Items. In the Browse panel, scroll all the way to the bottom and select Deleted Items. This section is where Smartsheet stores items you've removed, giving you a safety net before anything is permanently gone. If you don't see what you're looking for right away, give the list a moment to load and scan carefully for the exact name of the sheet, report, dashboard, or folder you want to restore. Now let's undelete the item. The fastest method is to right-click the item and choose Undelete. Smartsheet will handle the rest. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can also click and drag the item out of deleted items and drop it into a specific folder or workspace in the Browse panel. Dragging is especially useful if you want to place the item somewhere new rather than where it originally lived. After restoring, check the original location. By default, Smartsheet returns the item to its original workspace. If that workspace was deleted as well, Smartsheet will automatically recreate it for you so the item has a proper home. This makes it easy to get back to work without rebuilding your structure from scratch. A few tips to keep things smooth. If you can't find an item in deleted items, it may have been removed permanently, or you might not have the necessary permissions to view or restore it. Try refreshing your browser, confirm you're signed in with the right account, and if needed, contact your Smartsheet admin. Keep in mind that deleted content may only be available for a limited time, depending on your plan and settings. After restoration, verify that your item opens correctly and that any key collaborators still have the access they need. That's it. Open Browse, go to Deleted Items, restore with a right-click or a drag and drop, and confirm the original location. You're back on track in just a few clicks.